Class practice 4 on page 7. Page 7. So let's see this 5 question all together. Have a look. 3x minus 2 times x plus 6 and then equals 5x minus 32. Again, you need to expand this one. Negative 2. Remember, pick up the operation sign and then times into two terms here. So 3x minus 2x, right? And then minus 12. Remember, this one is minus. Have a look, enlarge it, and let you see clear. Negative 2 times x, so minus 2x. Negative 2 times 6, so minus 12. Clear? So that's great. Now group all x together. Here is 5x. So both sides plus or minus 5x. Both sides plus or minus 5x. Correct. Minus 5x. Okay? And want you to pay attention this one. Minus 32 becomes negative 32 if no more 5x. So remember this one, negative 32 on right hand side. Next, now here the value minus 12 on left hand side. So next step, 3x minus 2x and then minus 5x minus 30, negative 32, and then what should we do? On both sides plus 12. So no more 12 here. Okay, so plus 12. Good. That's great. Then what's next step? Simplify. This one, negative 4x, right, equals negative 20, right? So as a result, x equals negative 20 over negative 4. So final answer is 5. Clear? Good. How about next one? B. 2 times 2x minus 1 minus 5 times 2 minus 3x equals negative 50. Have a look. Now here, 2, you need to times into two terms. One is 2x, one is minus 1. And next term, minus 5, you can read it as negative 5 inside, expand into these two terms. One is 2, one is minus 3x. So, hope you expand it correctly. Have a look. 4x minus 2. Got it? How about second one? Negative 5 times 2. So this one minus 10, right? Negative 5 times negative 3x. So here plus 15x. See? This one. Okay? Plus 15x. So next step, keep all x at the sign. So 4x plus 15x, I keep it. How about these two values? Minus 2, minus 10. What should we do? Correct. Both sides plus 2 plus 10, right? That's great. 19x equals negative 38, right? So x equals negative 38 over 19, so negative 2. Great. Understand? Part C. Part C. Part C, 4 times x plus 3 minus 5 times 2x minus 3 equals 3 times 2x plus 1. Okay. 4, you need to times it into x and 3. Same as Minus 5, you can read it as negative 5 times into these two terms, 2x minus 3. In the same time, 3 times 2x and then 1. Let's expand all the bracket. Here, 4x plus 12, correct. And then minus 10x, good, plus 15, correct, plus 15. Okay, equals 6x plus 3. Great. Put all x at the side and other values on right hand side. So 4x, let me write out all things first. Here, 6x, I want to put it at the left hand side, so minus 6x on both sides. Right? How about next step? 4x minus x, 10x, and then minus 6x equals 3. Okay, have a look. There's 2 plus 12 plus 15. So both sides minus 12 minus 15. So no more 12 and 15 on left hand side. Now you can simplify. 4x minus 10x minus 6x. So how many x left? Good. Negative 12x. How about the other side? How about the other side? Yeah, negative 24, right? So x equals negative 24 over negative 12. Final answer, x equals 2. Great. Let's see. How about part D? Part D. 6 times 2 plus x equals 4 times 2 plus x and then minus 3 times x plus 8. Okay? So, what's this? You can see that here 6, 4, and negative 3, you need to times it into the bracket of that two terms, right? So what should we do? Here 12 plus 6x equals 8 plus 4x, right? And this one, be careful, minus 3x and then minus 24. Here is minus 24. You can think it as negative 3 times x, so minus 3x, negative 3 times 8, so negative 24. Understand? Then what's next? Okay, 12 plus 6x. Now I want to put all x and x. Okay, put it all at the left hand side. So minus 4x plus 3x, right? Both sides minus 4x, so no more here. Both sides plus 3x, no more here, right? So 8 minus 24. Then what's the next step? 6x minus 4x plus 3x. Here 8 minus 24. Yeah, minus 12 on both sides. Minus 12 on both sides. So as a result, now 5x equals negative 28. Yeah, so x equals negative 28 over 5. Can we simplify? No, this one is the simplest form of the fraction. So this is the answer. Okay? Well, how about part E? Part E. Okay, let's do it all together. This is the last question, a little bit long. 7 times 2x minus 1 minus 3 times 4x minus 5 equals 3 minus 11 times 2 minus x. Okay, first step, again, expand it. 7 expand to this one, negative 3 expand, okay, so times into these two terms, and here negative 11 times into these two terms, right? So 14x minus 7, here minus 12x plus 15 plus 15. Get it correct? 3 minus 22 plus 22x. Sorry, plus, let me see, plus 11x, okay? Plus 11x. Okay? So what's next step? Okay, let's group all the x together. So 14x minus 12x. And here you know that minus 11x on both sides, minus 11x on both sides. Okay? How about all the values? 3 minus 22. Here minus 7, here plus 15. So plus 7 on both sides, minus 15 on both sides. Right. So now you can simplify this all. Negative 9x equals negative 27, right? So as a result, x equals negative 27 over negative 9. So x equals 3 is the answer. Clear? So you see, class practice 4, you can try by yourself once again, okay? And pay attention about the expand here. Remove the bracket correctly, especially for this kind of expand. Negative 3 times into the bracket, and you found that if two positive value become minus and minus, okay? If this one, for example, negative 11 after expanded, minus 22 and plus 11, okay? So be careful when you expand it. If positive value, just simply times into these two terms. So 14x and then minus 7. Okay? So be careful when solving the equation. Okay?